एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अगर आप भी अपने फ्रीजी बालों से परेशान हैं और आपको चाहिए सॉफ्ट, स्मूथ एंड हेल्दी हेयर, देन यू आर इन द राइट प्लेस. Today's I am sharing my favorite natural remedy for smooth and healthy hair. So let's say to goodbye those frizzy hairs and say hello to shiny, soft and silky hairs. Frizzy hairs happens for a lots of reason: humidity, overwashing and even heat styling. The cuticles or outer layer of the hair lifts up, making your hair looks dull and frizzy. But don't worry, I will got a simple, easy and effective treatment for you. Here's what you will need for this smoothing hair mask. First ingredient is fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera smooths and hydrates your scalp, helping to keep your hair healthy and shiny. Next ingredient is 2 spoon coconut oil. Coconut oil is packed with vitamins and fatty acids that nourish and hydrate your hair. And the last ingredient is yogurt. Yogurt helps lock in the moisture and smooths out the frizz. Mix all the ingredients very well and make a smooth paste. Now applying the mask to your damp hair, focusing on the ends where most of the frizz. You want to cover every strand for the best result. Once your hair is covered, wrap it in a shower cap or a towel and leave the mask for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water and you will feel how soft and smooth your hair is. You will notice less frizz, more shine and healthier hair. Look at how shine and smooth my hair looks after just one treatment. And the best part, you can do this once a week to keep your hair looks fabulous. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more hair care remedy. Let me know in the comment if you are try this out, and I would love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you.